Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the Pan for Seasons Project Pan created by Jessica and Amanda. This is a Pantastic Ladies collab, so if you want to know more, go ahead, check them out, join the page. For now, I'm going to talk about the summer products. So I'll be talking about the Pure Festival Eyeshadow Palette, the Nyx Sao Paulo Matte Lip Cream, and then the Roll-On Perfume by Inkling Scents with the scent Unify. So I'm gonna get my scale on. So I'm gonna be weighing in grams. I'm gonna start with perfume because I know this is the least product that I've used. Last month it came in with 30 grams and it is still 30 grams, so I really think I've only used it 2-3 times. So the lip cream I have used quite a bit. So this was 14 grams and it is still 14 grams. So I'm not surprised that there's not a lot of change with that. It is pretty dry. There's not a lot of product that comes back when I pull it out, but it still shows up on my lips. This is how it looks on my skin tone. I've actually been using it with a eyeshadow base, and then I've been putting this on top. We'll see if it kind of creates the desired effect. It's supposed to be a little darker. Yeah, that's kind of how it's been looking on my lips instead, is with this color versus that one. So I've really been liking that. I do have that on currently. And so hopefully this can be moved out pretty soon, but as you see, it still has a really good swipe. Once it is difficult to even put it on for one wear and I have to like constantly redip it, that's when I'll count it as empty. I could take out the stopper, but it's just such a dry material or formula. Yeah, maybe that's the right word. So, which makes sense. It's a matte lipstick, but okay. Next we have the palette. So this was weighing at 138 grams and we are at 137 grams. So the scale keeps like teetering between 136 and 137, but check out my page for the side-by-side pictures of last month's view of the palette. Here's how it's looking. I got most use probably out of our Gypsy purple color here. As mentioned, I've been using it for my lipstick. With this Wild Child, I tried to put like a drop of solution on it to see if it would make it be a little more easy to apply, because I noticed that's what was easier for the purple to go on, but it made the palette or the eyeshadow top all weird. So I did scrape some of that off because that was just not well. So I can see how I was able to go down in a gram because of these two. They're just so powdery, and if it wasn't for Project Pan, I don't think I would use these shadows, but I'm still finding ways that I like to use them, so that's cool. This Free Spirit is probably the next one that I've gotten the most use on. I went to an event yesterday, and so I used some of this as like body glitter. So that was a good way to get some use on it. So you can't really see, but maybe there's a slight shimmer. But yeah, so that is the update with this palette. I'm hoping that next month I can still see a little bit of movement across the eyeshadow palette, the lip cream, and the roll-on. So I don't think I'm going to set any specific goals because I've been focusing more on the Clue project pan, which I'll have an update here soon. So I think I'm just gonna see still how the use will look next month, and then maybe September I'll set some like usage goals or something of that sort. So okay, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you soon.